All right. Hi everybody, Sheppy here at the MadLab School of Fitness. Summer season's upon us and the sun is shining and it's time for barbecue season. I wanted to share with you one of my favorite nice and easy barbecue treats. This is Auntie Bev's jerk sauce. She has relocated to Vancouver years ago, and it's sold and made locally. And I've been buying this for 10 plus years. It's hot. If you don't like spicy, don't buy this, but it is absolutely delicious. So, nice easy recipe. Get yourself a big Ziploc bag. Get yourself a family pack of chicken legs and thighs. Or I like skinless, boneless for this, just because the skin gets in the way, although I do love chicken skin. But, and then you just pour some of this in there with some olive oil in the big Ziploc bag, zip it up, leave it in the fridge overnight. You gotta mix it up, massage it all together. And then it's super easy, lay it on the grill. There's no bone in there, so it cooks really quick and it gets nice and crispy and delicious. You don't have a barbecue, you can just do it on a frying pan and on your stove, and it works great as well. So give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Auntie Bev's, she's got her own website. Really awesome stuff.